Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block, what we have here, we're going to be making you guys a delicious, extra crispy fish tacos from my home to yours. So I'm going to show you what we got on the deck. Okay, and if you want to know the recipe to this batter, do refer back to when I made fish and chips. Okay, I have the link down below. So make sure you guys go over it because it turned out pretty good. Okay, that's this batter right here. Alright, now I'm going to show you. This is the fish, the cod that I used. I used the same thing in that video also, okay? And I seasoned it up just like I did here. Okay, you want to get room temperature, guys, okay, before you throw it in the grease. Alright, and the toppings we're going to be having is this right here. It's a Southwest salad kit. I got this at Costco's. Okay, we're going to put some cheese on it, guys, so it's going to be some Parmesan, Romano, and Aggiano. Okay, that's what we're going to be putting on top of there. And we have some other stuff over here. This is... right here is peaches, and I diced them up. I put a little sugar on it, and because it was not cured all the way, and I try to keep it real with you guys. I put a little sugar and a little orange juice in it, fresh oranges, so that you think I won't be lying. Here's an orange. Okay, that's what I put in, a half of it. All right, this here is these are fresh jalapenos. Now, I don't know about you. I don't want to bite into no hard, crunchy stuff, so I had to marinate it with a little garlic and little red wine vinegar. That's what I did to this, and I will strain this. All right, we have some green onions, and it's like two stalks or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, here's some lime that we'll be probably putting on top of it, and we have some cilantro. All right, and here are our tortillas right here that we're going to use, the super soft ones, so we can have a little fluffiness to it. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and start on this, and I'll be back when we start putting this stuff together. I'll show you how to do this in a minute. Okay guys, we can go ahead and get started on this thing while the ice heating up. I gotta get up to like 350 before I get to dropping anything. Come with these little packages in here. I did taste it at Costco, tasted pretty good, so that's why I bought it. And I was like, this would be a good little topping for my fish tacos, or should I say my extra crispy fish tacos. Okay, you got a little cheese in there. I don't really care about that too much, because I already got my own. Come with this little thing in here. Tastes pretty good though. Put that on now. Alright. Just dump these in a bowl. Which I may not use all of it anyway. I don't think I'm going to use all of that. But we'll find out when I think I got enough for all that. So that's how that looks. We want to come with our jalapenos. I de-seeded, so it won't be spicy. Or cilantro. It's about a cup. Give a little earthy taste to it. Okay. Now, you need a spoon, right? I want to put these peaches in there. Get a little kick to it. Nice little sweet taste to it. I should need 2 peaches. Huh. Okay. Open up this little cheese or whatever it is, which I know it's cheese. Just throw that in there. Alright. Worry about no mess. You'll clean it up later, right? Mix that around up in there. And since we're mixing up cheeses, I'm gonna throw some of this in there. Oh yeah, just like that. So that's about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna put 4 in there though. Ooh, that smells extremely good already. Can't wait to squeeze that lime on there, top it off with the onion. Like I said, now you guys eat onions at your house, then feel free to go ahead and add your onions to it. I like to sprinkle my onions on top of it because a lot of people don't eat onions in my family. All right. If nobody like cilantro, you ain't gotta use that. Don't nobody like this other stuff, then you know you can always substitute. Okay. So we want to get this mixed up. I'll go ahead and put this on there. I'm kind of scared to put that on there because I don't want it to wilt or whatever anyway. Put a little bit on there for right now. Yeah. I also bought some malt vinegar. I'm not going to put that on here though. You can go overboard and mess up your whole thing. You just throw that in there. So I'm going to let this chill out in the Frigidaire till it gets done cooking, then we'll put this stuff together. Okay guys? See you guys in a minute. Much love. This is how it looks. Alright? If you don't like this, you can always put the other stuff on there, man. I'm just telling you. I want mine to be chilled though. I might throw another peach in there. Let me get that taste real quick. Pretty good. Pretty good food. Pretty good. Shit, real good. I'm gonna put this on like right before we start doing it. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Here's the fish. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this stuff together. So the big ones we just put over here, just like so. So this is a big one. Put that in there. Look like another big one right there. Just like that. Alright, get my spoon. Just had a spoon. Left there on the plate over here. Alright. And all we're going to do is take our fillings, put that in there. Just like that. Need to get a skewer. Skewers. Go this way with it. Don't look like it's helping, but hey. They ain't helping. So look here. Let's go ahead and put this stuff together. Take you some onions. Some more of this sauce. Some more of this. Just over here, bon appetit. My definition of fish tacos, just like that. And it's banging too, because that salad is banging. Take your lime or something, squeeze on it. One per taco. But since I'm gonna eat this one. My goodness. Let's see if you guys can see it. Bring it up some. Zoom it in. And I promise you it tastes good. So guys, please like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Tell all your friends and family to tune in to VELDOGG's Kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen in a minute.